Hey everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel, Mastery of Vitality. I am super excited to start this journey with you all. This channel is entirely dedicated to health, fitness, weight loss, and everything that comes with it. Whether you're just beginning your fitness journey, looking for tips to accelerate your weight loss, or simply aiming to improve your overall health, you're in the right place. Every week, I share new videos with handy tips, workouts you can do at home, delicious and healthy recipes, and motivational stories to help you on your path to a healthier and happier life. We will work together to improve our nutrition, discover the best workouts that suit us, and learn how to keep ourselves in top mental and physical shape. No matter where you are right now, whether you want to lose weight, build muscle, or just have more energy in your daily life, I'm here to help and motivate you. One of the key aspects we'll focus on is making sustainable lifestyle changes. Crash diets and extreme workout plans might give quick results, but they are often hard to maintain. Here, we believe in balanced, realistic approaches that you can stick with in the long run. We'll explore various types of exercises, from strength training and cardio to yoga and stretching routines. I'll provide modifications and tips so that everyone, regardless of their fitness level, can participate and progress at their own pace. In addition to fitness, nutrition plays a crucial role in our journey. I'll be sharing simple and nutritious recipes that are easy to prepare, packed with flavor, and designed to fuel your body. We'll talk about meal planning, healthy snacking, and how to enjoy treats in moderation. We'll discuss techniques to manage stress, improve sleep quality, and maintain a positive mindset. Meditation, mindfulness, and self-care practices will be part of our holistic approach to wellness. I also plan to invite guest experts to share their knowledge and insights on various topics. From dietitians and personal trainers to psychologists and motivational speakers, you'll get a wide range of perspectives and advice. Community is a big part of what we're building here. I encourage you to engage with each other in the comments, share your experiences, and support one another. Let's create a positive and uplifting space where we can all grow together. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so you don't miss any videos. Also, let me know in the comments below which topics you would like to see on this channel. Your feedback is incredibly valuable and helps me create content that truly benefits you. Let's work together towards a healthier and fitter life. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.